Hi, my name's Andrew Aburustum, and this is my MIT Maker Portfolio. I'm going to start off by talking about my 2023-2024 First Tech Challenge outtake. In the video on screen, you can see a demonstration of it. We call it the chin plate. The goal of this game was to deposit these hexagonal pieces called pixels onto this slanted blackboard, which is called the backboard. Our design was fully passive. It had a hinge on the back, and it would catch on the backboard, bending to drop the pixel onto the board. To get it to do this consistently, we added this little chin at the bottom, and that's why we called it the chin plate. We went through many iterations to get to this design, and it ended up working very well at our state competition. We were actually the only team in the state who had a fully passive outtake. The next thing I'm going to touch on is our 2024-2025 First Tech Challenge intake. The goal for this year was to pick up oblong blocks and place them into a basket. I wanted to design an intake that could pick up the blocks in any orientation, not just head-on. Our initial prototype could only pick up in one orientation, leading us to low-scoring matches and inefficient cycles. I came up with the idea to have two passively spinning wheels on each side of the intake and a counter roller driven by a flipped rubber band. This would allow us to pick up a block in any orientation, it would be reoriented, and it would automatically come into our transfer to be picked up and placed in the basket. We ended up winning the first place Innovate Award at the Mexico Premier event and the second place Innovate Award at the New Jersey State Championship for this design. Next I'm going to be talking a little bit about my home server. Ever since I was 7, I've loved PC building. And I've built many, including my brothers, sisters, and a couple of my friends, and my own. I built my home server to accomplish a few of my personal goals, being self-hosting my own applications. I researched and found which parts would be best and cheapest, and then I built it all. And I networked my whole house using Cat6 Ethernet cables, so I could have the highest throughput. I also learned ball grid array soldering in order to repair a GPU, which is now on my server. So I'm Andrew Aburustum, and this has been my MIT Maker Portfolio. Thanks a lot for watching.